Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Pixel 10 Pro and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find display and touch. Then we have to scroll and find the option which is called the screen timeout. Sorry, so you do not really have to scroll, it's in the log display. I just missed that. So let's tap on screen timeout, and here we've got some options from which we can choose. At the top we've got relatively short options like 15 or 30 seconds, and at the bottom we've got the longest, which is 30 minutes. So basically all you have to do is to tap on the option you'd like to use. I'll pick 10 minutes, and we have to, for some reason, verify that we really want to change the screen timeout, so just confirm it with your screen lock, and after getting back you can see that it is immediately notified right here, and it means that from now on, after 10 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.